Friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about how can we check our Bluetooth device name. Guys, you want to check your Bluetooth device name in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you check? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Bluetooth setting guys. How can you check your Bluetooth device name in your Realme phone device? So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to check your Bluetooth device name. So once you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone. So once you can see your Bluetooth setting. So when tap here guys, you can see your Bluetooth setting. So how can you check guys your device name guys? First of all you will have to on your phone Bluetooth, and guys you can see your device name setting. So once you want to rename this device name, so as you can rename from here. So you can see guys, my device name is Realme phone. So like that guys, you can check your device name in your Realme phone, and guys you want to connect any device, so you can connect from here guys. Which device Bluetooth guys you have guys, you want to connect, you can connect from here. And guys you can on and off your Bluetooth from here side. So like that guys, you can on and off your Bluetooth setting, and guys you can check your Bluetooth device name in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.